What guys? Are we having something there? Yes.
Gonna have some yummy food. There's so many places around here to eat. And looks like we have to do some shopping. So these are the struggles of a vegetarian. Eating cheese and toast because you can't have anything else. This is our second day in Amsterdam and I'm just here outside my hostel. We're just getting our keys renewed, but it's such a pretty day. Just look at it. That's a hostel box hostel and that's blue. There's so many cute streets all around Amsterdam and you just can't have enough of exploring them. So one of our friends has just arrived and we're excited to see her reaction. Let's see.
Oh my god, what is that?
This one is still fine.
This one is still fine?
Yeah.
There's more?
Yes, please follow us.
Oh my god.
This is the best part, Tanya.
No, I can't take this.
Wow.
Yeah.
You need some help? Give me your trolley.
Make
Whoa.
you tell me.
Yep, nature. So we're here for the free city walking tour and it's just gonna start in 5 minutes and we're waiting at the old city church and it is so beautiful.
Referred to as the most liberal, most tolerant city in the world. In many ways it's true. So during this tour we are going to explore the cultural history of the city and its people through this lens, okay? Through the lens of freedom and tolerance. So what are we going to see and do during this tour? We're going to see a little part of the red light district. I'm going to take you to Chinatown, we're going to the former Jewish quarter, we're going to the university district, and we're going to see everything in between.
going next?
So as tour guide is taking to some very interesting place next. We don't know it yet.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's find out.
Hi guys, so we're currently at Amsterdam airport and we're kind of stuck because of some luggage issues with cheap flights. And but yeah, what I wanted to tell you is that we're going to Iceland and that's going to be super interesting and super cool. So I'm excited about that and I'm excited to show you all what Iceland is all about.